Bro, dogs are full. Rejoin another server. Join another server.
Yeah.
I'm not a
Dad, I'm taking out this blessing.
Yes! I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog.
Okay, the father.
I think there's one last spot. Quick.
Yeah!
Dog. I think there's like so many spots left.
Please, 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 please. No!
Free me! Yo, I can get out. I can literally just get out right now.
No, I have to be a guard.
Okay. So you just have to be a guard then. Oh my god, I just got flung. Whoa. Don't you try to tase me. Somebody tried to tase me. Yeah.
No, I'm not a dog.
Bro, can this guy chill? Look, I'm just gonna go eliminate this guy. He doesn't want me taking off his muzzle. I need to get back into prison. Bro, there's one way I can get back in death, but there's like another way. The bush. And I have to hack my way in.
What do you have to have?
Ow, I just took damage.
I want to be a dog.
I'm gonna
Why
protect
can't I
you.
go?
Bro, I'm gonna protect you. Open the door. Now.
Okay, no, I'm just gonna clean you.
I'm gonna make biscuits. But just let me in. Let me in. Yes, I'm in. Oh, I just got murdered. Oh, I thought I got murdered. No! Get away from me! I'm I just got betrayed. I can make some of these guys. I can make biscuits on these guys. Can you free me?
No.
Please, you're
Oh,
me.
why is there a friend here?
Free me or else I unfriend.
Are you? Everyone except you.
Bro, you're mean. I'm with you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I'm gonna block you in 3, 2, 2, 1. Blocked. Just blocked you. Block me. Thank you. I need someone to free. Can you let me out? I'm gonna block you. Okay, say bye.
Did you already?
Yeah, I already did.
Okay.
Stop, or else I'm gonna block you again. Or else I'm gonna unfriend you actually.
How do you block?
Bro, put me down! You are actually so annoying. Put me down! Thank you! Thank you! Can you get rid of my muzzle, please? Please? Get rid of my muzzle, please? Please?
No.
Not
No,
you.
no.
Not you. Please? Please? Get rid of my muzzle, please?
I just watched it. I watched you, bro.
Don't you dare. Unleash me. I'm gonna be a good boy. Please, bro, please. You're so mean. Why with me? Do that to other dogs. time to block you again. I love rage waiting. Whoa. I love rage waiting. Okay, time to leave. I'm gonna leave.
Why?
You're mean. Let me out. Let me out. I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm gonna be a good boy. I'm gonna guard you.
I have to leave. No, I'm gonna guard you.
No, I'm gonna guard you. I'm gonna guard you.
Stay still. Stay still, bro.
That's not me. This is me, bro. I'm behind you. This is me.
Okay, you're
Why are you dragging me across the floor? Why are you dragging me across the floor? That hurts. That hurts. I can't. I'm physically leashed. This is just animal cruelty. Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, I still have you blocked, bro. I'm gonna turn into a guard if you let me go.
What?
I'm gonna turn into a guard if you let me go. Yo, my friend! My friend is here. He has a gun. My friend. No! Why did you battle him? Ah! Dude, there's war. War is going on here. They have guns. They're eating the dogs, eating the cats. Eat the cats. Eat the cats. Yes, you're dead. Bro, why did they eat? Bro, the guard took your key card. Whoa, somebody's hacking.
Hey, bad. Thank you. Thank you for getting muzzled. You deserve it. Come over here.
Oh, and I'm cooked.
Can you get muzzled?
Sure, boy.
I don't get.
Bro, this guy's like a 5-year-old. This guy's an Indonesian 5-year-old who lives at like any address I can find of.
Yeah, leave that guy up. No. Why is there another one? Doesn't matter.
Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Bro, we're just ganging up on this guy.
Oh yeah, they got me.
Whoa.
They got muzzled.
Whoa, I just got TP'd into
Oh,
I just got hacked in.
No.
Help, I just got TP'd. Somebody hacked me in, help.
I want to put them down.
Get in. Can you leash me?
Ay, baba na tayo, LJ.
Bakit?
You fell into my trap.
Go na.
Get muzzled.
First of all, why am I in the ground?
Ow!
Second of all, I just died. Whoa, somebody's in the void? And I got leashed to them? I have to leash the most unbelievable people ever. Can you free me?